Alright. See, I'm as real as I'll ever be. The MVP straight, coming straight, flowing minds, infected minds like STD, the best. I motherfucker rest, I never stress. Yeah, cause I be on top. I ripping hip hop straight on my grind. I killing the shit. Damn, like you stepping in my line. I stepping on my shit when you never knowing it. I reeling it, yeah, you best be selling it. I smoking the best, I smoking shit you wouldn't know. I killing the shit because I billing it back and just know. And in my mind I'm racing and counting everything I motherfucker facing. And now I straight free, I straight breathe, straight blotch. So I fucking cry, and so I know I don't actually cry though. I don't know why I said that, but I spray it back. And now I just know when my mind be blowing, I'ma race it. I come on the top, never brace it. Suspense, I rhyme in immense, I rhyme and flow. Yeah, you feeling it? Another 60 beat, and when you hitting my feet, I cipher damn homie kill. I just be complete, I come in unique. I rhyme it, I straight in my top, I stop my esophagus. On top of this, you never stopping this, cause my rhymes is surging through your brain. I come enough that tissue like straight up the rain. You straight nothing, you rhyming bluffing. I coming quick, homie, damn, when I just be cuffing and get in my zone when I'm leaving lights blown. I leaving shit, damn, cause the kid always known in his mind I make it and no one take it. And now I can't show and got the tools to fake it. Coming back into reality 5 years later, a motherfucker gravity be shaking. I still waking and baking, still fucking making ends meet until my rhyming complete. A motherfucker mission, I'm dishing every flow you subscribing. I'm petrifying, I'm like the shit coming right. The shit might, I just lust, I straight dust, I straight flow. I killing shit cause I blow 'em by the 8th hoe. And just know, I straight back an 8th hoe. That sounds like some whack rap, a rap trash if you stepping up. Of course I write shit, but I'm not putting it out because I don't want you to seal it. It's too here, good for you to hear it. So right now I be tripping, a little liquored, straight fixtured, a straight mixed, a motherfucker tricks, straight chronic, a supersonic, I'ma straight rip it, I straight up my dome, and people hate my shit because I'm spitting at my own home. Just know you feeling it, yeah, sitting back when you stealing shit.